So it's just like a little after oh god, I'm like, whatever. I don't even, this isn't, if it's bad, it's bad, you know? I know you've heard the whole, don't drink and drive, don't text and drive. Sorry. Like that whole speech or whatever, but I know you're probably tired of it. But, I don't know. I think it's a message that can't get spread around too much, you know? Because, I'll be honest, I pick up my phone to change a song, or I pick up my phone to text somebody back, I pick up my phone to see what buzzed, and I don't think about it in the moment, you know? But looking back at all the times that I've done it since I got my license, it makes me mad at myself, you know? Because thinking about it, I could have taken somebody's life because I wanted to change the song. And you know, again, like I said, it's a hard thing to grasp in the moment. My brother is okay. It is actually my brother. It's actually videos from the day he was born. I love that kid. Everything I have. And I really don't know what I would do without him. I don't know what I would do if anything happened to him. And I never want to find out what I would do. I really don't. Oh my god, this is stupid. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it, but if you didn't, that's okay too. Because in the end, at least I got to say it, you know? I don't know everyone in film, but be careful, man. You know? I know somebody cares about you. And just as much as you can take somebody's life by checking your phone, you can take your own. That's just as much of a risk, if not more of a risk. And we don't need another one of those. Oh my god, why am I crying? I didn't want to do that. It's gotten all sappy. Oh. I don't know. I kind of hope Murphy plays this at the end of the night, because, or maybe not, but drive home safe, man. We can't lose anybody else. We really cannot lose anybody else. It's probably over 10 minutes. Get home safe, please. Really, please. I cried over you. Or kinda. I was close, but I stopped myself because I'm cool like that, you know. Things keep falling. If you won, good job. Congratulations, you know? It's given to me anyway. Yeah, it felt necessary. If you know me, you know I'm very bad at sappy things. Hello? Okay, you're coming straight at me. I'm gonna go. My apologies, big man. Are they fishermen? We're not supposed to fish after 5. How dare you? Thought you were here trying to murder me. But you're just trying to fish illegally. There's a reason that London put barriers on the tube line. There's a reason that London put barriers on the rails. There's a reason they fail. I wonder if they're scared of me. Big possibility that they weren't. And they were actually going to murder me. And the ice chest is for my body parts. They could sell on the dark web. Oh, I feel lonely, so I'm gonna record. We got that hospital lighting. Here's the door. I'm thinking. My little noggin, you know? This probably looks so dumb, right? I'm not talking to anybody. But it looks